Hi everyone, Alexis here with the Park Group. Thank you for joining us for another walkthrough Wednesday. Today I am with Amarah with David Weekley Homes.
Hi everyone.
And Amarah is going to be walking us through a quick move-in home. So please tell us where we're at.
So today we are in the heart of Seabrook Village, Phase 1 at 319 Sienna Palm Drive. And today we have a real treat for you. This is our Odyssey plan. Come inside.
All right. Love the exterior colors. Super cute.
Yeah, you'll see this one has a lot of fun designer touches, including the outside, a really pretty coastal feel with a pop of color. So as you come into this home, you're going to see these secondary bedrooms, which are separated from the rest of the bedrooms, which I think is a nice touch. Our Odyssey is just under 2,400 square feet. It has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a private home office, and as we'll see a little bit earlier or a little bit later in the video, there is a nice bonus area upstairs as well.
Awesome. I'm so excited. Something you're going to see as we go through this video is all the nice tile they've done in this home.
So Carling right now is showing us this beautiful dedicated home office. You'll notice this home is staged, which is a little different from our regular walkthrough Wednesdays, but it shows you what you can do with this space. And there's a lot of natural light, but there's different ways you could utilize it. You know, if it's not an office, it could be a play space or a flex room or a man cave.
Perfect size for it. Love the double doors.
So as we flow into the main area of the home, you'll notice the kitchen, which of course is the focal point. All these beautiful designer touches, even some things we normally don't add into our homes, like these stacked uppers, and the beautiful upgraded backsplash. And of course, those upgraded appliances are perfect for your evening meals.
It feels so light and airy in here. Again, with what you were saying with the coastal colors, it's beautiful. And again, with the upgraded tiles that I was talking about, I love that backsplash that you guys did.
And I'd also like to note that something else that's different about this plan, particularly in the kitchen, is that it comes with a refrigerator.
That's nice. That is something actually I did notice. And I was like, that is a great upgrade.
Yeah, so this home is truly move-in ready. It's turnkey. It's ready for you to bring your furniture in and make it your own.
Love that. And I love the little coffee nook over there that's in the left corner. Love that it's open to the dining space with the natural light with the beautiful windows.
Yep, what's really great is the open feel in this plan. You know, when you're in the kitchen, you don't feel like you're cut off from the rest of the floor plan.
Absolutely.
It's got a nice flow to it.
Very large living space. You could definitely add some different seating in here if you really wanted to fit some more, but it's perfect size.
And you may notice from these gorgeous sliders here that this is a rear entry style home. And I'd like to talk about some of the features that this style of home can offer you in your everyday life. It is a low maintenance style of living. So you're able to experience the wonderful things of Nocatee and you're not, you know, stuck maintaining a lawn. Also like to point out the location of this home. You're just a few streets from the Seabrook Park amenity, which of course, as we know, has one of the largest pools in Nocatee, dog parks, playgrounds. So it's within walking or of course golf cart distance to that amenity.
Absolutely. It's so convenient to be so close to those things, and the extended greenway trail that's getting ready to open. You're close to that. So you're just going to be minutes away from the larger amenities too that you have access to as a resident.
And of course, at the back of the home, nice private location, you have your owner's retreat. And as you can see, it's decorated just beautifully and has plenty of room for you to make it your own oasis.
Yeah, it's quite large. Love the tray ceilings, that upgraded fan. Yeah.
And then we lead to the ensuite bath from the owner. So this is the owner's bath. Something a little different is you have a window in here.
I love that.
So again, continuing that theme throughout the home with the natural light. We're not stopping with that as we get to the bathroom here. And of course, you'll notice all of the designer tile work and choices that we've selected for this beautiful home.
Stunning. And with what you were saying with the window between, it almost feels like a his and hers. Even though they're one, it kind of feels separated in that sense. Perfect for doing your makeup in the morning. So I love all that natural light.
It's very true. And we've got all the upgraded drawer stacks for extra storage, always helpful in a bathroom. And now we lead into the owner's closet. Again, you'll notice another designer touch. We did this beautiful upgraded wood shelving to make it feel sort of custom. And you might be noticing, why is there a door in my closet? And that's because it actually leads into the laundry room. So if you're like me and you're not the best at doing laundry, it's really nice to have that ease of access. And if that weren't enough of a surprise, we've got another door here that takes us back to the kitchen and into the main home.
This is so nice because if you've got kids or other people that are living with you, they can use this doorway for the laundry, but you can use that way for the laundry. So that is great. Love that.
Yeah, the home has a certain flow to it that's unique and all-encompassing. So depending on where you are, you're able to get to other areas very easily.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely.
All right. Now we're getting to a really special part of this home. So
I'm excited for you guys to see this because this bonus room is huge. One of the biggest ones we've probably seen here in our videos. So I'm excited.
we have this beautiful staircase with luxury vinyl that leads us to the bonus area. So this is what makes this home, takes it from a 1-story to a 2-story, but you kind of get the best of both worlds because up here, what you really have is one big, large bonus area. And what's great about this is that it's very versatile.
Yes.
You know, you could create almost like a little studio apartment up here and have a bedroom set up. You could put a pool table and make it a game room. You could make it a relaxation area, a reading area, a spot for your guests. So it's extremely versatile space and it's separated from the rest of the home.
Right. Yeah, oh my gosh, it's always hard to see in the camera, but this space is huge.
It really is.
And I love that there's 2 different areas, so you could make them 2 different sections as well.
Absolutely. And then you have a full bath up here.
That's nice.
So when you're up here, you don't have to worry about going back downstairs. So for however you want to use this space, it's very accommodating to have that 3rd full bath.
Absolutely. This would make it good for the guests to stay up here, even if you have kids that have sleepovers up here. They can all use the restroom. So
Absolutely.
It's nice to have this here. But all right. Well, this home is beautiful, as obviously you just saw. So, Amarah, please remind the people where we are at.
So we're in Seabrook Village, Phase 1. This is our Odyssey plan, and we have very special incentives. So please reach out to us. Come to our sales model at 20 Recollection Drive, and we hope to see you soon.
Okay. Awesome. Well, thank you so much for watching. We hope you're having a great day. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.